All right, folks, look at this. This was moments ago. It looks like the motorcade carrying the former president leaving Bedminster, heading down toward the jail in Fulton County, Georgia. Thane, what are you looking for? You follow this whole thing through. You understand the politics. You understand the legal aspects. What's on your mind at this point?
You know, Bob, I just worry that we're going to become inured to this, right? We're going to become desensitized to how extraordinary it is that in the United States, a former president of the United States keeps going out of courthouses in various different states, federal courthouses, state courthouses. Guess what? You know what we're not mentioning? There's going to be a civil case filed in New York sometime in September or October by the Attorney General on Trump and his children inflating their real estate assets. People aren't even talking about that.
And there's possibly something coming from Arizona, right?
Yes.
Yeah, there's one from Arizona. And I'm thinking, when I was on your show when the falsification of the business records case first, emerged. And I remember the three of us were like, this is extraordinary. This is historic. It's unprecedented. And now we're in case number 4. All we do is see these indictments. And so I just do think that after a while, you become desensitized, and it really erodes public trust in both the presidency and in the Justice Department, and its effect on American values and mood, to me, is extraordinary with an election coming up. And I just hope that we survive all of these prosecutions.
Michael Grimm, does this gentleman, the former president, go to trial before the election and get convicted?
No, I don't think there's any way that could happen.
Absolutely. 2 of them before Election Day. And if the government can prove the evidence that's in these indictments, its cases are overwhelming.
Thane, same question.
I have been very skeptical about every single one of these cases on the law. I'm sure the judge probably agrees with me. He's a very smart and reasonable man. I have always said on your show, if there's anything there, there's the documents obstruction of justice, maybe, and the destruction of evidence, the cameras. Everything else is overcharged. The Espionage Act, really?
We got to
RICO, talk about tarring and feathering. They picked up the worst possible crime and overcharged.
Professor, I hear the bell ringing. I got to get to my next class coming up at the top.
There's another class coming in.
All right, Thane Rosenbaum.
Exactly. We got to get out of here.
Thane Rosenbaum, Judge Napolitano, Michael Grimm, wonderful conversation today. Really appreciate it.